active region, and blocking assignment LHS as well as our RHS is executed in our active region. And continuous assignment assign block is also executed in this region. RHS, this is the most important point between blocking and non-blocking. So for example, if it is 1, for your example, our RHS is 1, so RHS will execute in active region and LHS will execute in your NB region, which is our third region. So we will wait for this statement and this will execute. So this is most important concept for your sequential circuits. We use mostly our non-blocking assignment. Because of this behaves like a sequential circuit, you can say. It gives us behavior of sequential circuit, and this gives us behavior of combination circuit for most of the time. So you learn this, that RHS of our non-blocking region will execute in active region. Primitive updates like NMOS and every primitives like range wire, because we should know the value of all them before our next region. So these primitives will execute in next region. Events we will if you want, I can make separate video for that, so comment me about if you want your event any video about that. And most of the things will execute in active region, so don't get confused about that. If you don't know that which region other things are executed, just say that it is executed in your active region. For example, task and function also execute in this region. So simple things. Now in active region, we want that our active region execute, and then we want some statement to execute our inactive region. So we will have our hash 0 delay. If for example, if you have given this hash 0 delay to any statement, so after active region it will execute, and we will get what we wanted, that after all the statements to execute, and then we will get our hash 0 delay. So this is that. And reschedule, that the same thing that we were rescheduling, that we don't want our statement to run on our active region. There might be some cases. So for now you can understand that whenever we use hash 0 delay, the statement will execute on our inactive region. And most important thing, like dollar display and $write is our system task. And this statement, if you use, it will execute in our active region. So whatever statements in active region, then only you can see the values of that statements in your dollar display and $write. Otherwise it will just give its default value. And for example, if has 0 delay is there and some statement is like a equal to b or equal to 1, something like this, so it is at has 0 delay. So its value, a and b value will be, for example, if we are declared it range, so a or b value will be x by default, and dollar display will give your x, or $write also will give your x. And in inactive region, if you have to use $monitor, which will be executed in monitor region, so it will give you a proper value. So this concept is follow that way. So your compiler also execute in different region. So we will understand more about this dollar display, $write in blocking, non-blocking. Our non-blocking assignment, our b equal to 1, we have taken the example. So when we get RHS, we get in our active region, and LHS we will get in our NB region. So LHS updates our non-blocking assignment in this region. Tensor value calculated in active region update single letter and payment traces. So this mostly